There was asked a question that he has heard that there are certain benefits, scientific benefits for wearing a cap and sporting a beard. What are they? Yes, there are many benefits, and you can give a list of benefits. Like if you wear a cap, it protects you from a sunstroke. You have less chance of having sunstroke. If it drizzles a little bit, your head doesn't get wet. There are various benefits. For keeping a beard, what are scientific benefits? There was the latest research done that those men who keep a beard and wash it regularly, they have less chances of having upper respiratory tract infection of the lung, of the throat, etc. But if you keep a beard and don't wash it regularly, there are more chances of you having upper respiratory tract infection. So the research says that those men who keep a beard and offer salah, do wudu, you have to do wudu before salah. Minimum 5 times a day you wash it. Alhamdulillah, there are less chances that you'll have upper respiratory tract infection. There are various benefits. But a Muslim, like salah, there are various benefits. But a Muslim, most of the Muslims, they wear the cap and keep the beard. Why? Atiullah wa atir Rasul. Obey Allah and obey the Messenger. If Allah commands you, whether there are scientific benefits or not, amanna saddaqna. I hear and affirm. I'm a person who believes. So mainly we keep it because it's a commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This lecture was just trying to convince those people who may not have that much faith. So just because the Quran says I follow it, just because the Hadith says I follow it, we have to give other logical reasons to convince them. So these scientific reasons may help those Muslims who are on the brim. It may help these scientific reasons, these benefits. But the main thing is, if the label shows your intent, you wear it.